Good morning students, I am Swati from Oxford High School, Uppugundur. Today 6th class first topic is knowing our numbers. Before we learn numbers, numeration, numeral, etc. Sixth class first topic is knowing our numbers. Already numbers. What is defined numbers? Numbers, numerals, numeration. Before class we already explained. Now let us start exercise 1.1. First Roman. Which is the greatest and smallest among the group of number? Which is the greatest and smallest among the group of number? First one is 15,432. Second one is 15,892. 15,370. 15,524. This number, group of numbers. Okay, which is greatest and which is smallest? First we have find how many digits in the first term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Digits are same. Digits are same. But which is greatest and which is smallest? First we have to find place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,000 place are same. Okay. Next we have to find 100 place. 4, 8, 3, 5. Which is greatest? 100 place is 8. But the greatest number is equal to what ma? 15,892. That is greatest number. And the smallest number is and the smallest number is 10,000 place are same but 100 place are different. Once check which is the smallest, 8 is greatest and another is 5 is greatest and another 4 is greatest and least one 3, 15,370. Okay. Group of number is there. First we have to find how many digits number. Okay. Next once check place values. That means greatest and smallest. And second one is 25073, 25, 289, 25, 800, 25, 623. These group of number. And first the greatest value is the greatest number equal to, first we have to find ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s place. First, how many digits ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Digits are same. Okay. Digits are same, but comparing with the place values. 10,000 place 2, 2, 2. 1,000 place 5, 5, 5. Okay. Thousands and 10,000 place are same. And compare with the hundreds place. 6, 8, 2, 0. Which is greatest? 0, 2, 8, 6. 8 is the greatest number. So the greatest number is 25,800. And the smallest number is equal to, greatest number is over. Okay, this number is over. In remaining 3 numbers is there, but 3 numbers are small number is 10,000 and 10,000 place are same. Compare with the 100 place. 6, 5, 0. Which is greatest? Smallest. 0 is the smallest number. But 25,073. Okay. Next, another example. Third one is first Roman. Third one 44,000. 44, 687, 44, 645, 44, 670, 44, 602. Okay, the greatest number is equal to, as usual, first how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. This number also 5 digit number. This number also 5 digit number. This number also 5 digit number. These group of numbers are, digits are same. Next, comparing with the places value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Thousands and 10,000s place also same. Thousands, 10,000. Thousand, 10,000. Thousand, 10,000. Thousand, 10,000 place are same. Next, comparing with the hundreds place. 100 place also same. Next, comparing with the tens place. Ones, tens, 0. Ones, tens, 7. Ones, tens, 4. Ones, tens, 8. Which is the greatest number? 0, 7, 4, 8. The greatest number is 8. But the greatest number group of digits are there. Which is greatest? 44,687. Next, the smallest number. The smallest number equal to. Next, this number also over. The greatest number. Remaining 3 groups are, digits are is there. Next, comparing with the tens place. 470. Which is smallest? 44,602. The smallest number. Next, fourth one. 75671. 75635. 75641. 75610. Next, which is the greatest and which is smallest? The greatest number. The greatest number is equal to 75, 75, 75. Digits are same. Next, comparing with place values are thousands and 10,000s same. And 100 place also same. 6, 6, 6, 600 places. Next, tens place. 6, 4, 3, 7. Which is greatest? 75,607. 71. Next, the smallest number. The smallest number is equal to. These numbers are big number, greatest number. Enough. Next, three groups are there. Numbers. Next, 10th place, smallest number is 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 1. Which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. 75,610. Okay? Next one. Write the numbers in ascending order. Second Roman. Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing. First one, 375, 1475, 15,951, 4,713. Ascending orders are ascending order equal to increasing small to big value. First we have to find each number how many digits. These are 3 digits, this one 4 digits, another one 4 digits, and another one also 4 digits. These are 4 digits number. First comparing with thousands place. Thousands place comparing with first one. 4, 1, 1. Which is the greatest? This one greatest. But increasing means small to big. Small to big means 3 digit number is first one. 375. Next another 4 digits. 4 digits comparing with 1000 plus 1 is same, and comparing with hundreds place. 4, 5. Which is smallest? 475, and comparing with 1595, 4130. These are same answer only question. Next, second one. Four, 7, 19,035, 22,570, 12,300. Next, ascending order. Ascending order are, first we have comparing small to big. Ascending order means small to big. These are how many digits? 4 digits. Another one is 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits. But first we write 4 digit number. 4 digit number what ma? 9,347. And write next 5 digits number. Which is smallest? 1, 2, 1. 1 is 2 digits. 1 is 2 numbers is there. Next comparing with thousands place. Thousands place 9 is 2. Which is smallest? 12,300. Next another one is 19,035 and 22,570. This is ascending order. Next one, third Roman. Write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means big to small. First one is 89,876, 89,715, 45,321, 89,254. Descending order. Descending order means descending order are big to small. This is 4-digit number. This is 5-digit number. This one 5-digit number. This one also 5-digit number. Big to small. Big to small means these three group of 5-digit number. Comparing with place values. 10,000 plus 8, 8. Next, another comparing with 1,000, same. Next, another comparing with 7, 2. Which is greatest? 89,715. Next, 89,254. Another number is 45,321. And which is smallest? 1,876. These are descending order. Sorry. Next, second one. 3,000, 8,700, 3,900, 18,500. 18,500. Next, descending order. Descending order are big to small. Which is biggest one? How many digits are there? This one 4-digit number. This one also 4-digit number. This one also 4-digit number. This one 5-digit number. Which is greatest number? 18,500. Next, these remaining 3 numbers, which is the greatest? 4, 4, 4. Next, comparing with the thousands place. 3, 8, 3. Which is greatest? 8,700. And comparing with the thousands place. 1,000, 1,000. 3 is the same. Next, and comparing with the 90. Which is greatest? 3,900. And the remaining 3,000. Okay, this is descending order. Fourth Roman, put appropriate symbol less than or greater than in the space given. In this space given. First one is 3,854, 15,200. Next, second one is 4,895, 4,864. Next, third one is 99,454 and 99,445. And last fourth one is 14,500, 14,499. Put appropriate symbol less than or greater than. First, less than or greater than means which is a symbol. This one 4-digit number. This one 5-digit number. Which is greater? Less than or greater than. This one less than. Next, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. 100,000 place are same. Next, comparing with the tens place, which is greatest? 9 is greatest. Is using greater than symbol. Next 99, 99. Next 4, 4. Next comparing with 5, 4. Which is greatest ma? 99,454. Next 14, 14. 5, 4. Which is greatest? This one also.